In a quiet city museum, a mischievous unicorn sneezes glitter and accidentally rearranges the exhibits. A curious kid and a patient adult companion follow sparkling clues that pop from paintings like giggling bubbles. Every stop turns into a quick joke about sneezes and science, turning history into a silly scavenger hunt. The unicorn finally sighs a soft rainbow, apologizes in rhyme, and invites everyone to a spontaneous dance party. Laughter echoes through the halls as kids and grown-ups realize learning can be lighthearted and wonderfully strange. Soon the unicorn bows, leaving a glitter trail that hints at more adventures.